We also offer a program where we just look at your hormones. And in this program, we're looking at the testosterone, the estradiol, progesterone, thyroid, growth hormone, these overall hormones that most primary care doctors overlook. And this applies to both men and women. So if a man has more issues than what testosterone may address, and he's concerned about his thyroid, he's interested in what his growth hormone level is, the BHRT program that we offer would be the best program for him. BHRT program is the only hormone program that I have for women because women are just much more complex. We have to balance estradiol, progesterone, and testosterone, where men, we're simple creatures. We only really need to work on our testosterone level. With the BHRT, I'm able to look at all three of those hormones in women, along with their thyroid, which primarily tends to be an issue mostly associated with females. And then we're also able to look at their growth hormone production. Thank you for your time in watching this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please give us a call. We'd love to welcome you into our practice to answer your questions or concerns and welcome you as a patient as well. 5